What's going on, guys? It's Joe back again with another video. So today we're looking at a common question I get at the dealership a lot. If someone buys a X1, X2, 228 Grand Coupe, a new X3, anything with the new iDrive 9 system here, what happens is if you do not have a BMW ID, basically using the My BMW app to connect to the car and everything, get everything paired and authorized as a primary user, what'll happen is you'll lose connection for your navigation. So your navigation will go away. You'll get a message here that says establish a connection using Android Auto or Apple CarPlay to display the map. If you want to get that back, what you'll do is you'll press up here, hit your little profile icon, hit add BMW ID. Give it a second. Also, great point to note, if that does not work, press and hold the volume button down here. It'll do a reboot on the system for you. It's a weird button to press and hold, but you're just going to press and hold it until that screen goes black. Fixes 99% of your problems, and we'll wait for that to reboot. So everything went black. You'll notice the instrument cluster and the center information display all went black. Give it a moment here, it'll reboot. It does take a little bit of time, but really not too bad. You'll hear that ding, it's going to start firing up. Your instrument cluster will come back on, and then your center information display will come back on as well. So once that fires up here, we'll go back to that profile. You could find it in the top right corner, but you could also find it in the menu as well. So in the apps menu. So you have it either up here, or if you go right down here to this 4 squares, which is your apps, you could go in through there, hit the BMW ID, add BMW ID, and now the QR code comes up. With that QR code, you'll scan it with your phone. You'll use the you'll use the My BMW app, and that'll allow you to get connected to the vehicle. It'll add everything in for you, and then after that, what'll happen is your map will now show up, and everything will work again. So hopefully this video was helpful. Hopefully this answers your questions. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them down below in the comment section, and we'll catch you in the next one.